Hey everybody. Well, seeing how I don't got much of anything going on today, and I cannot see because it is too bright. Ow. Seeing how there's not much going on this week, I figured I'd go ahead and make a themed rib. Because that's also what I like doing, is making themed food. So for this theme, it's going to be for Cyberpunk. Because, it's almost June and they're going to be doing a little event, and we're about 4 months away. So I figured, you know what? I'll do that. So please enjoy these Cyberpunk Ribs.
Okay, let's get started. First up, what you're going to need are some ribs. Then you're going to need a pan with a rack, some barbecue mix. This is KC Masterpiece, Sweet Honey, Jack Daniels, Tennessee Fire, hot infused chili oil, Mesquite rub, beer can chicken seasoning, some Johnny's seasoning salt, or any seasoning salt will do, pink frosting, yellow frosting, and Flamin Hot Doritos. What is up, everybody? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Use our barbecue mix. This is KC Masterpieces Sweet Honey. The box comes with 2 packets. We're just going to go ahead and use one. Go ahead and dump it in our bowl. Next up, we are going to use a 1/4 cup. Make sure I get it in the light there. Jack Daniels Tennessee Fire. We're going to go ahead and pour 3 cups of that in there. So there is 1. There is 2. And 1 more, which makes 3. This time we are going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of hot chili oil. This stuff does go a long way, so and it is really hot. Well, at least to me. Then we have mesquite rub. Go ahead and pour that in there. Also, due to the jump cut, clean out the little bowl. Oops, sorry, got some on there. Okay, once again, clean out the little cup. And that is beer can chicken seasoning. So just 1/2 teaspoon of that. And that is Johnny's seasoning salt. You can use any seasoning salt, but I prefer Johnny's because Johnny's is the best. And now we just go ahead and we mix that up. And give it a good thorough stirring. Giggity. And it should come out relatively nice and delicious. By now it should be thickening up. Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of coagulating. That's when you know it's really good. Alright, now for our next step. Take Flamin Hot Doritos and put them in a Ziploc bag. This is actually kind of my guilty pleasure of doing this, because we get to take a hammer and we just beat the dickens out of it. And smashy smash. And go ahead and crumple it up with your hands. Make sure you get them nice and crumbly. And we're done with that. Alright, now we got ourselves the ribs. We're gonna go ahead and put the Doritos on it, kind of like a dry rub. We're just going to just pour them on and give them a good rubbing. And we're going to go ahead and take our cooking rack, or cooking pan with the rack in it. And just go ahead and put it in there. And then we're going to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on that. And then pop it into the oven for about 3 to 4 hours on 350 degrees. And about after 3 hours, when it's done, should come out looking like that. Now you can go ahead and eat that as is, serve it up, and it is really, really hot. But it turned out very, very delicious. Then, after you go ahead and cut it up, you can or you cannot, depends on you, add the pink and yellow frosting. I decided to do this for the Cyberpunk theme. The whole ribs, of course, were based on Cyberpunk, just being loud and like really in your face, you know, what Cyberpunk is. And, you know, give it a, I want to say a, like, visual standpoint, just add the frosting. The thing about the frosting is it kind of mellows it out, so you get the taste of both and not the kick of the hotness. But anyway, thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again. Until next time, peace.